Do you want to know how I made this garlic butter shrimp using my own DIY homemade garlic butter? Stay tuned.
Welcome to my channel. I am the natural one. You're watching DIY and cooking time.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the natural one and this is a DIY and a cooking time video. So you guys, let's get into it. So you're going to need room temperature butter. It could be salted or unsalted. Garlic. I'm going to use the already peeled garlic, but you can use the fresh garlic and peel it yourself. There's no rules. Do what you want as long as you're having fun. So this is really all you need, but optional, you can add some herbs. Okay, so if you don't have fresh herbs, it's okay. Use what you have. You can use the seasonings from your cabinet and put some powdered rosemary or flakes, whatever you want to add some thyme. Your choice, okay? You're going to need a bowl, a knife, and a spoon. Now, as a disclaimer, this recipe is for the garlic lovers. If you're not a big fan of garlic, you better use 1 stick of butter and half the garlic I'm going to use. I'm only showing this brand of garlic butter because it is not cost friendly. It's $3 for 1 stick with all of that, and the garlic taste is weak. Save your money and do it yourself. Grab your bowl, put your room temperature butter inside and set it aside. Now this is how much garlic I'm going to be using for this recipe. I use majority of the bag. Next, you're going to want to cut off the root end of the garlic as I've done here. Now we're going to get the slicing and the dicing, okay? There are no rules on how big you want your garlic pieces. Now what I did manually is to the right, and with the food processor is to the left. Yeah, let's go ahead and put this little pile in the food processor and get it all chopped up. So now what you want to do is put the chopped up garlic into the bowl with the butter. Now you can mix it up, but I did mine a little bit off camera, okay? Because it was really thick, you guys. Now, if you're not going to add any fresh or dry herbs in your garlic butter, then you are done. Mix it up really good, store it away. But if you are going to add fresh herbs, this is the time to go ahead and get the chopping. So I'm going to add thyme, rosemary, and sage. I'm going to add a little bit more thyme. I washed and took the rosemary and thyme off the stem and got the chopping. Once it's all chopped up, you're going to add it into your garlic butter and mix it up really well. Make sure you get a bowl that's big enough so you have enough room to stir. Work smarter, not harder. Do better than me. Well, this is it, you guys. Put it in a storage container with a lid and put it in the refrigerator. Now let's compare. Their butter is really smooth. My butter is chunky with the garlic, okay? To be fair, they may have roasted that garlic, which makes it less potent. If you found this video helpful in any way, please hit that subscribe button. It really will help my channel, you guys. But don't go nowhere because we still got to get into cooking time. I am cooking on a cast iron griddle, and you guys, when this garlic butter melted, it smelled so good. So let's get into it. All you need is a little bit of oil in a hot pan. Add your homemade garlic butter. Add the shrimp, season to taste. Mix the shrimp thoroughly with the garlic butter until done and enjoy. You guys, remember the garlic butter is the star, okay? And you can eat this with some rice. When you take all the shrimp out of the pan, add a slice of bread, and if need be, add more garlic butter so you can have garlic bread with your garlic butter shrimp. Look at all that garlic, you guys, from 2 scoops of butter. But this is really it, you guys. I really hope you try this DIY and try this recipe and tell me what you think when you do. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and enjoy the rest of the video, you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching.